Hello, my name is Ivy and I'm going to teach you how to FOIL while factoring in algebra. Today I'm going to show you 4 different types of factoring that can occur. What is factoring? To factor means to break it up into other numbers that can be multiplied together to get the original. FOIL is the rule often used to factor properly. In order to factor, you must follow the steps FOIL, F-O-I-L. F means to multiply the first term, O means to multiply the outer term, and I means to multiply the inner term, and L means to multiply the last term. We'll start off with something simple. Our first example will use letters. Bracket A plus B, bracket C plus D, bracket. In the rule of FOIL, we must first multiply the first two terms in each bracket, which we will have A and C, and we get AC. Then we must multiply the two outer terms, which are the A and the D, and when we multiply those two together, we get AD. And we must always remember to carry the sign of the number. In this case, it's addition, so we must add the addition sign. Right now, we have AC plus AD. Now we must multiply the two inner terms, which are the B and the C, and as well as carry the sign that we got. And now we get AC plus AD plus BC. Now the final rule of FOIL is to multiply the last two terms, which are the B and the D. Now we get AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. Since you understand the basic rule of FOIL, let's turn these letters into numbers. Bracket 2x plus 5 bracket 4x plus 3. The first step is to multiply the first two terms, which are the 2x and the 4x, and we get 8x squared. And since we have x in both terms, we have to multiply that in order to get the 8x squared. The second step is to multiply the two outer terms, which is the 2x and the 3, and we get 6x. Now we have 8x squared plus 6x. Since it's all addition, we know that we would have to add all our values together. The third step is to multiply the two inner terms, which is the 5 and the 4, and we get 20x. Now we have 8x squared plus 6x plus 20x. The last step is to multiply the last two terms, which are the 5 and the 3, and we get 15. Now our total is 8x squared plus 6x plus 20x plus 15. Now we have to add all the like terms, and our final answer would be 8x squared plus 26x plus 15. Bracket 4x minus 5 bracket 2x plus 2. Just like the other examples we did earlier, this example has subtraction that can change the value of our final answer. So the first step is we must multiply the first two terms, which is the 4x and 2x, that equals 8x squared. Now we must multiply the two outer terms, which is the 4x and 2, to get 8x. The equation we have right now is 8x squared plus 8x. Now we must multiply the two inner terms, which is the negative 5 and 2x. And since the 5 is our negative sign, it will make our equation 8x squared plus 8x minus 10x. Now we must multiply the last two terms, which is the 5 and the 3, and we get 15. 8x squared plus 8x minus 10x minus 15. Now we must collect our like terms and subtract the 8x from the 10x, which we get 8x squared minus 2x minus 15. Anyways, that is the conclusion of my video, and I hope that I was helpful in giving you a better understanding on how to factor. Thank you for watching my video and have a good day.